A floating wind platform has been successfully installed at the PLOCAN test site in the Canary Islands of Spain. X1 Wind, the firm behind the platform, as well as partners from the EU-backed PivotBuoy Project, took advantage of a suitable weather window to complete the installation process, connecting the fully functional floating wind prototype to the mooring system and dynamic cable pre-installed last June. The new wind platform has been fitted with a Vestas V29 turbine and stationed at a 50-meter water depth, in a downwind configuration. This is just one of the steps taken to ensure that X1 Wind's technology is highly scalable. This will enable the firm to provide platforms for the 15-megawatt scale turbines and beyond, and to deploy them at very deep sites. X1 was recently selected by the European Commission to deliver the Next Float project, an ambitious program accelerating industrial-scale floating wind aiming to install its first commercial-scale platform in the south of France. After its installation is completed, the new project will be tested in fully operational conditions until March 2023, while continuing to feed the electricity it generates to PLOCAN's smart grid. To achieve this amazing milestone, X1 Wind worked with several companies including EDP Nu, DNV, Intexi, ESM and Dejima, and world-class research centers WavyC, DTU, and PLOCAN. The new site is expected to soon start producing data that will provide vital support for the next development of the full-scale technology.